How to change currency in Pocket option. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your currency setting in the Pocket option application using your smartphone or tablet. So the first thing you want to do is to launch open the Pocket option application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, go ahead and tap on this little USD drop down, or it can be a different one on your account. Simply tap on that, and in the pop-up, click on this current currency at the top, which is USD in my case, of course. After you do that, you'll be able to see your current currency and the new currency you can choose from. Tap the drop down under new currency and select a different currency you want to change to and click confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your currency in the Pocket option account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.